Hello guys, welcome back in another video. And today in this video guys, we will be doing a video on the Yeti kit from Roblox Battle Pass. Roblox Battle Pass Season 3. So it requires level 30 right here. Yes, this is the Yeti. And it can destroy, let's see. Let out great zero to attempt by freezing nearby blocks, foes and blocks can destroyed in one shot or extremely fast. So let me play with my brother. Let's see. Okay, so squads. So yeah. Okay, so yeah. So teleporting to game right now, and yeah, this is a new like update or something. So what the hell, dude? Yeah, the lobby is like literally just laggy. Look at this. Look at it. Did you see that? Look at this. So yeah, this is the glacier roll. This is the Yeti kit, and there is like a bar beneath you. Yo, everyone, bridge to me. Okay, I'm not bridge to me. I think he wants me to do it. I think my brother wants me to do it. So. So let's get started. Okay, I'm trash. I'm trash at Roblox battles. I'm trash. Guys, don't. Yo, what the hell is this? So, like, what the hell is going on? You feel. Nobody but the fence. So, now we're just gonna go over here. Okay, I'm trash. I'm literally trash. So I want to do a glacier roll. Oh. Nobody is on yellow. Yeah, no one was on yellow anyways. Only 2 blocks. Okay, so I'm gonna get some blocks and be good about this. Red has already reached it. So green is our lucky team because green is actually a very lucky team. So now, yeah, let's go over here. Let's go over here. Let's go over here. What the hell? Yo, what the hell is this, bro? What the hell? Wait, this makes no sense. This kit makes no sense. Okay, this kit is actually pretty bad. Like, you can only use this kit for like solos or something. something like that. But like not squad. Like squad is like a public match. Yeah. So let's go with this iron generator. I hope I got leather armor now. And actually fight back. Okay. So now about very much a lot of blocks. Yep. Red fixed the thing. Saw it. Okay, I'm not letting you go. Inferno, I ain't letting you go, bro. Okay. I don't care. Wait, what? There are 3 Infernos. These people are actual dumb. You get some blocks, bro. Yeah. That one has blocks, bro. Get the blocks, man. Get the blocks. Get the blocks. Yay, you got the blocks, bro. Nice time, bro. Oh. Oh. Yo, I literally outplayed. Okay, I actually hate my life. Yo. That was so close. Wait, what about if I get a wooden axe? Like, what the hell? Okay. Okay, so now there's no way back. I have an idea. Ah. Yeah, that's what up. You can barely see. Wait. I have no armor. Like, I kind of have no armor. Anyways, I have an idea. Sorry I'm on mobile today, I just had to. Just kind of trying out this kid on mobile, you know. Yo guys, the Yeti wants to rule your base, bro. Bro. Wait, the guy is so dumb. Wait, this team is like full of grunts? What the hell? Okay, I'm actually so bad today because like I'm stressed out on everything. Well, like the snowstorm has like school closed. I really want to go to school for some reason. Like I haven't met my friends and all that. So yeah, okay, if we get still stuck with tier 0 at the end of this round, I'm gonna. Okay, good. Are you serious? You had 8 diamonds with you the whole time, but you just saved up for that. Now this is the trick, boys. It's the trick. I don't know where to place block. Yes. Let's see about this. Oh, so Red has a parkour of going here again. Wait, why am I so dumb? Wait, why am I so dumb? I should have fought him back. I should have been good next time, man. This kid is just trash for squads. This kid is literally just trash. Okay. I'm literally spamming blocks right now. You know what? I'm gonna teach this guy a lesson. Wait. Let's see if this guy learns his lesson. He's going back to base, bro. He's going. Okay, bro. The diamond. Yes. Yes, I can finally get iron armor, bro. I can literally finally get iron armor. Well, let me say no. No. I'm French. No. Wait. Let's see what this guy says. This guy's a little speechless, okay. Tier 3. Or something gonna kill you, bro. What the heck? Yo, he has Rage Blade, bro. He has Rage Blade. He has literal Rage Blade. I'm so bad at Battle Wars, like, literally. Okay, so he had 8 diamonds until I had 6. Okay. Could've just gave him that. Man, I'm actually so dumb. I died by fall damage, bro. What the f- Okay. I'm not killing everybody. I do not know why I did that. I cannot mine these blocks. I can literally not mine these blocks. So yep. What? What the hell is wrong with me? What? That's not fair. Wait, that's not fair. It's totally not fair, bro. Okay. Let's get the damn diamonds, man. Okay. Oh! I literally got that shot, bro. I moved. Okay, I have to get crossbow now. Give me the crossbow, boy. See, he has the most kills on our team, probably my brother. Yup. He has 36. I only have 6. He has 30 more than me. He has 5 diamonds, bro. Buzzo LPM. I literally